One of the things that we believe very strongly about in the office is high technology dentistry, and that incorporates a multitude of things. First and foremost that comes to mind is digital x-rays, and what that involves is a sensor that's placed in your mouth, and the x-ray is taken and developed immediately by the computer software, so that we instantaneously can see on the computer screen what the x-ray has taken of. And more importantly for the patient is the huge decrease in the amount of radiation that they're exposed to. People say that it's 8 to 10 times less radiation than the old film style x-rays. The other side benefit of that is less pollution of the environment, less chemicals, not waiting for the x-rays to be developed in the old-fashioned the way they did for 100 years before that. And secondly, having a second computer monitor in the office. So there are actually two computer monitors in the office. One is a large screen one for the patient to actually see on the monitor exactly what we're looking at in their mouth in terms of x-rays and photos, which ties into the other thing that I want to refer to, which is the intraoral camera, which is a tiny miniaturized high technology high resolution camera that we can utilize to visualize either close up or a little further away your smile, to communicate with the laboratory about exactly what changes we want to make your smile perfect, as well as looking at a specific tooth, a cavity, show you an old filling that has broken. You're wondering what's going on with that tooth. You can see visually on your computer monitor in full color if you choose to see that. Exactly what we're seeing, or we could do a video tour of your mouth, so that some people really like that, and it's kind of cool just to see what's happening in their mouth, because they can't do that just by looking in a mirror or brushing their teeth or something of that nature. And it's a huge diagnostic tool to us, because after you leave the office, we can study the x-rays and figure out what your options are and what the best approaches would be, and give you those options so that you can decide what direction you want to go in with respect to those kinds of things. And then there's the aspect of high-level hospital operating room technology in terms of monitoring all of your important things with respect to your body functions during the sedation process as well. So those are all things that are highly beneficial to the patient.